our immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this very special occasion as we celebrate 10 incredible years of preserving, nurturing, and sharing the rich traditions of Indian classical arts.
బొమ్మ బొమ్మట కయ్య కయ్య నక దిన్న కనక దిన్న భజంకరే ఉదని తనక దిమిది తం దితం తం దై దై గణపతి నాం సదం వేణు వాసరే అమృత కుండలికి తరికడ దకడ వాల్ గజ వేణు వాసరే అమృత కుండలికి తరికడ దకడ వాల్ గజ నారద కుండేశ్వరం గజానయుతం గణేశ్వరం గజానయుతం భూరేశ్వరం గజానయుతం గణేశ్వరం పూజిత విఘ్నేశ్వరం గణాది సంత పద పద్మకరం గణాది సంత
शंकर चक्र संयुत पाश कीलकौ मत्स्य कूर्म वरहश्चैव गरुडो नागवल्ली
శుక్రవారం అవతారమాగియ
ಮರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಮರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ
हाय ॐ नमो नारसिंहाय ॐ नमो नारसिंहाय धिमि तां तां धिमि 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 तकिट धिमि धीं धीं धण्ड 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 तकिट धिमि तां तां धिमि 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 तकिट धिमि धीं धीं धण्ड 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 तकिट तद्धरि तद्धण्ड तज्जुण्णु तद्धिमि धण्ड धण्ड जुण्णु धिमि धिमि तकिट धीं धीं तद्धरि तद्धण्ड तज्जुण्णु तद्धिमि धण्ड धण्ड जुण्णु धिमि धिमि तकिट धीं धीं ॐ नारसिंहाय उग्रसिंहाय दम्भोलि तीक्ष्णनखति.
For having me as one of your guests this evening. This is actually my second time attending this classical performance, and it's been a wonderful experience both times. I continue to be amazed by these kids who
Hello, I'm Corey LaShawn Boyd. I'm the Chief Equity Officer for the Office of Governor Tim Walz and Lieutenant Governor Peggy Flanagan. And I want to say that it is an honor and a privilege to stand before you on behalf of the Office of the Governor.
Hello everyone, my name is Mangala Acharya and I am the President for India Association of Minnesota. I'm honored to be here. Thank you Shubha for having me here as you celebrate this huge milestone.
Good evening, everybody. Namaste and welcome. I'm Sindhuja Tinamane. For those of you who I did not have a chance to meet, I lead the Services and Materials Foundation, which is a national nonprofit that is focused on medical technologies. But I also am the co-founder of Lankan Professionals Network.
Okay, namaste everyone. Okay, this is a pretty good group, but like the middle is so full, like you guys are asleep. Let's try this once more. Namaste everyone. Okay, but like this side you guys are really low. I don't know what's going on this side. So let's try this. Namaste everyone. Oh my god, I love that. Like, love it. Let's do it. Let's just once more, everybody, all together. Namaste. All right, perfect. My name is Sajeev Jagannath.
Well, that's always a tough one. I'm Representative John Hewitt, and I'm following the cruise director here. So. Anyways, I represent Rosemont, Apple Valley, and part of Egan. I'm so proud and so honored to be here today. These colors, I think they're...
Thank you everyone, all the honorable guests. Thank you for making time, being here and supporting our community. Thank you very much once again.
గరి సని పద ని సా గ పద ని రవ గరి సని సా గరి సా గ పద ని రవ గరి సని సా గరి సని పద ని సా देव शिव शंभो श्री महादेव शिव शंभो श्री महादेव प्रभो श्री महादेव शिव शंभो मरण भय शोक विदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं जनन मरण
heartfelt thanks also to all our chief guests, volunteers, photographers, the technicians out there, especially working 8+ hours today with us. Thank you so much.